Hair type is determined by texture, shape and quantity, and hair can be coarse, fine, thick, thin, dry or oily. Identifying your hair type will help you choose the right hair styling products. For instance, if you have dry hair, you will want to invest in styling products that contain conditioners and do not contain alcohol. Similarly, if you have fine hair, you want to choose hair styling products that aren't heavy but hold well. There are many different types of hair styling products, and you'll benefit from reading both the performance claim labels and the ingredient labels. Most people need only a few basic hair styling products. A product such as hair mousse or gel applied before styling and a finishing spray to hold the hair in place after styling are the basics. Problem hair such as excessively dry or frizzy hair may require additional products to achieve a well-kept style. If you use heat styling such as hair dryers and irons on a regular basis, you might want to consider using a thermal heat protectant. A heat protectant is a hair styling product designed for use on wet or dry hair before applying heat. Regardless of the hair styling products you choose, the foundation of a great hairstyle is the cut. A bad haircut or simply the wrong haircut for your hair type will not style well regardless of the products you use. An experienced hairstylist who is comfortable with your hair type and who does a good job is as good as gold. A stylist can also recommend hair styling products suitable for your hair type and style. You can experiment with both professional and generic label products until you find the ones that work best for you. Also keep in mind that a good shampoo and conditioner are essential to maintaining healthy hair, and healthy hair always styles better than neglected, abused hair, regardless of hair styling products. Lastly, when you find hair styling products that work well, stick with them, but periodically use a deep cleansing shampoo to remove the buildup that can occur with repeated daily use.